Hello guys and welcome back. Well, today we have the GGMM TWS Sports Touch earphones that come in this pretty modern looking box. Inside the box... Ooh, wow, how nice is that? Now that is classy. It says,
"Thank you for purchasing the T1 truly wireless earphones from GGMM. As full touch earbuds, it may require you several days for you to get familiar with T1. Please read the manual carefully and keep it for further reference. As a friendly reminder, all of our products come with a warranty and customer support. Please contact us."
well, yeah, our website and all that. But we just say, you're welcome to a gift if you register your T1 products to extend your 1-year warranty. It says, thanks again for choosing GGM. No, thank you. So, you get a very, very detailed setup and how to use guide. There's a box. Never mind the box, look at that. Whoa, look how many earbuds. 8 different size earbuds, man. That is the next level. Now listen guys, I've always said this, when you are using your earphones, if you really want the best quality, the best bass and the best sealed in sound, then you need the correct size earbuds. And that's what we have just here, lots of earbuds. Ooh.
It's raining earbuds.
Inside the mini box, we have a short micro USB charge cable. Everything comes well packaged inside with this foam padding, with the earphone charge case embedded. The charge case is compact, it's like a makeup case in fact. It slides right into your pocket, not causing too much of a bulge, and it weighs only 58 grams. The rear of the case with a micro USB charge port, a charge LED indicator, and when fully charged, this case will charge the earphones up to 3 times. Opening up the case, very unique. I like the style. These earphones are certainly going to stand out. The case doesn't have a magnetic lid, however the earphone charge pins are, so taking the earphones in and out of the case is quite a doddle. The earphones themselves are very durable. They have a flexible ear hook design, they are IPX7 waterproof, so yeah, that's great, and they also have these large earbuds already fitted. They have LED indicators on both earphones as well as built-in mics and touch control to both sides, which we will go into more detail very shortly. Pairing the earphones via the Bluetooth 5.0 should be fairly straightforward. Simply take them out of the case, allowing both earphones to be interconnected. They should first voice prompt power on, followed by TWS connected. Once synced, select GGMM T1 on your mobile device, and then you should be all set up. If you do have any problems, simply press and hold the touch area for around 10 seconds. And both earphones will then reset. Place both earphones back into the charge case for at least 2 seconds, then take them back out. Wait for both of them to be interconnected to one another, and then use your Bluetooth on your device to connect. Touch controls. For these earphones on the left hand side, you have the previous and next track selection. Simply swipe up to select the next track, and swipe back down again to select the previous track. On the right hand side, you have the volume control, which comes in stages. So swipe up to go up a level, swipe up again to go up even more, and you get my drift. Swipe back down and it goes down a level. But on both earphones, you can access the play, pause, call, answer button and the personal voice assistant. Placing these T1 earphones within my ears, they felt fairly comfortable once they were properly inserted. Audio wasn't too bad to be honest. The max volume was medium high, not super high, but I feel if they were any higher, then that audio clarity would be somewhat jeopardized. What you do, however, get is earphones with high tones that sit very well at 90% volume. And that's to be said about the mid-tones too. The audio level sat well as long as these earphones wasn't maxed out at 100%. Once they were maxed out, then those high tones with certain genres of music, they did become overpowering. Like I said, 90% volume is just fine. The bass is good too. These earphones are not super overpowered with bass, and clarity is certainly the main focus point with the audio quality. These earphones not only sound good, but they sat well within my ears with no sign of them falling out at all. After long use, they neither felt irritating, sweaty or painful behind the ears. They do weigh only 8 grams each, and I can confirm that I got 8 hours 27 minutes out of the 9 hours that was specified. Although I think that 9 hours can be achieved by reducing the volume. In conclusion, I personally think that these T1s are definitely unique. They look, sound and feel good, and if I was to rate these out of my usual rating out of 10, then today I've got to give these GGMM T1s a rating of 8 out of 10. I gave it an 8 because personally I want to use 100% of my earphones capability without the audio clarity subsiding. That is my own preference, but I do think that these earphones are very stylish and I would definitely recommend them. A link will be provided within the video description down below, so go ahead, check them out and go get yours. I hope this video helped today, and if it did, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Please smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I will see you guys over on my next video, which will be coming out real soon, so stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!